Hi folks, this is Rick Samara with video number 4 in my series of videos on how to organize your article for fast and effective writing and how to get your blog ranked on Google. In this video, I'm going to show you how and why it's important to use pictures. I'm going to show you how to use them, and I'm going to show you how to set your alt tag or alternative text within your pictures. Now, I already have this picture set up. And this is a picture that points my first article category according to my structure or outline, and that's on focus. So all I did is I went to Google search, I searched images, I typed in something like funny on focus, and I found this. Now you want to be careful you don't use any copyrighted images. This is an uncopyrighted image. Or if it is an image, the source is quoted at the bottom. So, legally I'm on sound footing here. So, what I want to show you are a couple of things that I've done to set my alt tags. Here's my alt text, and it's set to my primary keyword. I'm going to also put it in my title. And a lot of people recommend that you put it in the caption as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, even though I did not do that on my actual blog post. When it fits, I would highly recommend you use it. I guess I can make it fit. It kind of fits. That's fine. Okay, I'm not going to update it yet. I'm going to go to advanced settings. I'm going to go over here to horizontal space. I'm going to type in a 10. That keeps my picture separated from my actual text. It's a nice degree of separation. I'll give you an idea what that looks like. But I see so many blog posts whose pictures just run right into their text that kind of looks sloppy, not that professional. So I highly recommend you do this. Okay, so I'm pretty well set there. Now what I want to do is I want to give you an idea what it actually looks like. This is my finished blog post. You see how I have my separation. My text isn't running together. Also, if I cursor over, you can see my alternate text, Internet Home Business. So I have that done. Now I want to show you how to add some text. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm going to copy. For some reason I got that flashing doohickey there that I really don't want. Looks like I might have a problem here that I have to fix. But I'm just going to copy that text in here because now I've actually started writing my blog post. Okay, and I'm going to use quotes. I use quotes a lot. I'm going to use humor. So I started here. If you want to build an internet home business, you don't have to become a rodent. So I referenced my picture, to draw their attention to it. You want to be a real person communicating your message to your audience, but you also want to entertain and have fun with your audience. Now, from a personal point of view, I think this is very important. That's why I use funny pictures. David Wood does this all the time. If you listen to David and watch David, he uses a lot of humor, and humor helps you engage with your audience. There's kind of a transition sentence down here, but focus in the internet home business is much more. So I picked some quotes, and you could use the quote arrow here to set them up. Okay, I like to use quotes, and there's one by Alexander Graham Bell. And I wanted to bring this more into perspective, so I said that while he's an American visionary and inventor, these there are more modern quotes that focus on the importance of focus. So I picked out this quote by Robert Kiyosaki. It came from the Midas Touch, and I cited the page. No fancy citations here, but it is good to give the author credit for the author for the author's quote. So this is essentially how I begin to build my blog. I'm going to update this. You're going to see that my keyword density has gone down, but my overall SEO score has gone up. It says I have entered enough words. Let's take a look at how many words I actually have. I have 336 words. By the time I'm done with this post, it's going to have over 1,000 words in it. And the reason for that is because I structured it. And I created this outline. And it's easy to write once you have an outline created. So as you can see, I still have 4 other sections that I need to develop. So this is going to be a pretty significant post with an awful lot of words. Your SEO processor score will tell you have enough words when you hit 250, but shoot for 500. 700 will give you a higher SEO score. So, you know, it's all up to you, but the more words you publish and the more original content you create, the better it is for you and the easier it is for you to get your post ranked on Google. So, that concludes this video. In the next video, I'm gonna focus on some finishing touches. We're going to wrap it up with completing the summary, and I hope you enjoyed and got some value out of this video. So thanks for taking the time to watch it, and look forward to video number 5.